Mucus reducing foods for better breathing. Real relief starts in the throat. This is not magic, and it is not instant in 1 minute, but the relief feels fast. And that surprised me. I grew up watching my grandmother deal with constant throat mucus, morning cough, heavy chest, that annoying need to clear the throat. Doctors helped, but food helped quietly. Years later, I tried the same approach and noticed the difference. Mucus is not the enemy, it protects airways, but excess mucus causes discomfort. According to Mayo Clinic, mucus thickness increases with inflammation and dehydration. Here is the simple science in easy words. Certain foods reduce inflammation. Others help thin secretions. This makes mucus easier to clear. Ginger was the first surprise. Ginger contains gingerols, studied in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, for anti-inflammatory effects. Warm ginger tea helped open my chest within minutes. Not magic, just physiology. Garlic came next. According to NID research, allicin in garlic supports immune response. Raw or lightly cooked garlic helped reduce throat heaviness. The challenge was the smell, so I mixed it with food. Pineapple was unexpected. Bromelain, an enzyme studied in biochemistry journals, helps break down proteins. This may help thin mucus, especially in the sinuses. One small bowl worked better than I expected. Turmeric helped gradually. Curcumin supports inflammatory balance, according to multiple clinical reviews. Mixed with warm milk, it felt soothing. Not dramatic, but steady. Hot soups mattered more than foods. Who explains, warm fluids help hydrate airways and loosen secretions. Simple chicken soup did more than cold drinks ever did. Foods to limit also matter. Dairy did not cause mucus, but it made it feel thicker. This is explained by Mayo Clinic as a texture effect, not mucus production. Dosage and timing matter. Small portions, slow eating, warm temperature. This does not work the same for everyone. People with allergies or asthma may respond differently. Some foods may irritate sensitive stomachs. Moderation is key. Avoid calling this a cure. It is support, not replacement. Always consult a doctor if mucus is chronic or worsening. Tracking progress is simple. Note breathing ease, throat clearing frequency, morning congestion. Grandma's recipe worked because it was simple and consistent. Not magic, but it feels close. Try one food at a time. Listen to your body. Like the video if this helped. Comment what worked for you. Small changes, clear breathing,